Hello everybody, I'm Yazeed. Today I'll be talking about my package, Theme Mode Builder. The package has a lot of features. We'll be discussing them in this video today. So download the starter project from here over on GitHub. You'll be having the link down below in the description. And while you're at it, just click the subscribe button and the like button. Basically, here's what we'll be building in this video. You'll be able to toggle between dark and light mode. You'll be changing to light mode and also changing to dark mode by separate buttons. Have fun. So let's see the starter code. First of all, in the prospected YAML under dependencies, we are having the theme mode builder as a dependency. Okay, use the latest version when you're seeing this video. Have a basic Flutter app, and if we go into the theme mode builder example, we'll be seeing that it's a stateless widget that returns the app. The home widget is the home widget. If we go to it, it's a stateful widget. This widget returns an app bar, or returns a scaffold that has an app bar and has a body. Body returns a center with a column and also some text. The alignment is center, I forgot to say that. Here's a text. Under that, there's some spacing, then the elevated button. Let's see it in the later. You can see text, spacing, button, and then a row with two buttons. This button will toggle between them. This will change to light mode. This will change to dark mode. This is, as we said, the toggle button. So this is basically the starter project. So now let's dive into the implementation. First of all, let's go to our main.dart, change the main method into a future type void, the return type. Also make it asynchronous. After that, we'll be importing theme mode builder. Then we'll be ensuring that the widgets are initialized. After that, we'll be initializing the theme mode builder. Then we will be adding this cool comment right over here. Let's hot reload it. Okay, after it hot reloads, we'll have to hot restart because the theme mode builder.config we are initializing Hive. Hot restart, and let's go into here while it's hot restarting. Okay, now everything looks the same. First of all, we have to import theme mode builder again, and then we'll be changing the return of theme app into a theme mode builder. It has one argument, which is builder, okay, and it gives us build context of type build context, and also theme mode, which is of type theme mode. Okay, here's the cool stuff, theme mode. So then inside this builder, we'll be returning material app with home widget. If we have to start it now, nothing will happen. Now we'll be adding the theme mode properties, getting it here and putting it into the material app. So once we change it, it changes instantaneously. After that, we'll be giving the theme, which is the light theme basically, and giving it basically just like a brightness of light. And also the dark theme will have a theme data with brightness dark. Okay, this is light, this is dark. Now we'll be going into line 46 and changing the, changing the light, the word that's here, into being dynamic and not always light. So we'll be putting a variable here inside of it, the $sign with curly braces. After that, we'll be checking if the theme is dark. If it's dark, we'll be returning between quotes dark, else we'll be returning light. So it should stay light. So because I was experimenting before, the theme is now dark. So never mind. As you can see, it's working. Now the theme is dark, so it's showing dark. Okay. Now we'll be making the toggle button work. We'll be making it asynchronous, the onPressed, and also we'll be awaiting theme mode builder config.toggle theme. So if we hot reload, we should be able to change to light mode and make this text say light if we click this button. So 3, 2, 1, hooray! It's working. That's really great. So we finished our first step. Secondly, we'll be making also the light mode button and also the dark mode button exactly do the same thing as the toggle mode button. So if we click either one of them, we'll be doing the same thing. Now you'll be asking yourself, I want to make the dark mode button just change to dark mode, nothing else. And you're right, that's what it's supposed to do. So we'll be using ternary operators. We'll be checking the theme is dark, this is the light mode button. If the theme is dark, we'll be toggling the theme, else we'll be running nothing. For the dark mode button, we'll be checking. If it's dark, we will run nothing. But if it's not, we will run the toggle theme function. So let's try now. Now it's light, we can do nothing. Now it's light, if we click dark mode, it changes. Click dark mode again, nothing happens. If we click light, it changes back, and toggle mode still works. Now we are done, but here's an extra bonus, just to make sure that everything is working correctly and the themes are changing, okay? As you can see, here's the primary color is blue, and here also it's blue. So let's change the primary swatches, okay? The primary swatch of the light theme mode will be red, and the primary swatch of dark theme will be deep purple, okay? Let's hot reload, and it should be red over here. Yay, that's really interesting. Now let's make sure that dark theme is also working. So we'll be clicking on toggle mode, and yeah, it's also, as you can see, it changed into being deep purple. If you reach to this point of the video, you're really a great human. Just to make sure, like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and peace.